This is FLURATECH all new blogger template version number 2. Yes, this template comes with new added features, and which is more useful for those who are searching for blog template, free blog template that have much powerful interactive user interface. So this is the FLURATECH blogger template version number 2. Let's take a look at the page speed index by Google for mobile phone or smartphone. The performance is 52. This is because the URL is a subdomain. So let's look at let's refresh it and take a look at this again. Before that, let's go to the FLURATECH version 1. This is FLURATECH version 1 blogger template. Here you can only able to see the title of the blogger site and the image. Here the image is not uploaded by the user, that's why the image is a catch saying that no images. And here, if you are added the label box, then you can able to see the label box like this, but here you can able to see the simple description about the blog post, but we are added the feature of a simple description about the blog post. This will help you to improve the impressions of the users, and user take much time on your first page because the auto load facility. You can able to see the new post is loading on the page without the page is refreshing. So let's look at the performance of the template. The SEO is 100%, best practice is 100%, accessibility is 92%, performance is 54%. That is because the URL is a subdomain. Let's look at the page speed index in desktop. Here the performance is 93%, accessibility is 86%, best practice is 91%, and SEO is 100%. This is the blogger template that you want to use in your any of one blog post, because it will make you a completely new experience in blogger. The user can't able to understand this is a blogger template because this is look like an awesome and beautiful template. And the third best feature of the template is it has a custom text box. If you are writing a blog post and you want to say that to your users what you are going to share in that blog post, then this box can be useful. You want to only add the class for the paragraph start text, start S capital and T capital, start text. You only need to add the class. The box will display for the paragraph. And the next most important feature of the template is that you can able to add advertisement within the post by I can able to speak that how it's look, but I can able to show it how it's look. You may be amazed because this is an awesome feature that I have added on this blogger template. Let's copy the Amazon affiliate link from here and go to the theme of blogger platform, and edit HTML, and now you want to search for blog 1. So here you can see the widget blog 1 and search for a place to paste add code. I'm searching for it. Where is that? Here you can able to see the add code. Here you can paste your add code if it is Google add code or any HTML code to show any new advertisement or user interaction. Friends, that's there is an error because the code, the blogger doesn't allow some characters of HTML. So I have encrypted the code of from here, and the encrypted version I have copied and pasted it on here to display the ads. So let's save it. Yes, it is saved, and now I am going to refresh the page. So automatically displayed some paragraphs. You can able to see the ads. Only pasted the code on one time on the code, but on the blogger template, but it displayed again and again. If I want to show the ads after some paragraphs, here you can able to see the ad is displayed after 3 paragraph. So I want to change it to 5 paragraph. The ad will displayed after 5 or 10 paragraph. Now I am going to change it to 5 paragraph. So here you can able to see the 3, change it to 5 or 7. I am changing it to 7. Again you can able to see the number 3, change it to 7, and here you can able to see the number 3, change it to 7. And now you want to save the template, and here we go. To show ads after 7 paragraph, again takes 7 paragraph and is displayed here, and again it takes 7 paragraph and displayed here and here. This is it awesome, right? So this is the major and most useful feature that I have implemented on the FLURATECH blogger template version 2. You can download the template from the description. I have shared the link to download the templates code. So let's look at the next and last feature. Go back, layout. This is the next feature. This is available for FLURATECH version number 1 blogger template, but again it has more. I have created it more user friendly and customized. Let's look at this template. So you can able to see it is sticky. When we scroll down the label box will touch the top of the screen. It will stick, or the position is fixed for the label. You can add here the advertisement by Google or any other site. So also you can here you can also add any other code of any other advertisement code. If you add Google ad code, here you can able to see the Google ad. Here if you add any table or related post on the layout not layout, on the Blogger template program or code, you can able to see here the related post. And here this is another feature, that is related post. This will also be helpful for you to make more impression and keep the readers on your blog post. It will display almost 10 to 20 almost 10 related posts here. And let's look at the responsiveness of FLURATECH Blogger template version 2. Let's click on inspect. So go here. Yep, here you can able to see how awesome it is. Here for the index page, the sidebar will not displayed. I think the auto infinite scrolling feature will more and more helpful for our users, those who using FLURATECH Blogger template. You can able to see, again you can able to see the pages. Here I have added contact us page. When you click on it, you will redirect to contact us page. That's for your it for any doubts. If you have any issues related to this blog post, you can feel free to ask with me. I will always help you to implement this template on your site. And if you want to add any features, if you need any features on new features on the Blogger template, you can ask it on the comment section. I will definitely help you. So for new templates and for improved versions of FLURATECH Blogger template, please subscribe the channel and like the channel, like the video. So that's all. Goodbye.